Okay, so essentially what we're going to be doing in today's video is we're going to be mounting the management system like this. We're going to be cleaning up the hose. You guys didn't see in the last video, but I added an air hose to the setup. Just something cool, fun to have. I can do, you know, tire pressure on the fly if I need to. And then we might be doing some LEDs. I haven't fully decided yet.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Why waste any more time? Let's get into the actual video.
Yeah, go ahead.
We're going to be doing the trunk setup and all the airlines. So we need one airline that's going to go to the tank. We need two for each side of the car, and then we need one for the purge that goes straight out. So let's get those wired up. All right, so we're gonna tap into this grommet right here. For the rear line. Just gonna put some tape over the end of this so we don't get any dirt inside of it. All right, let's throw on that end. Now we see it right here. Grab onto that. Pull it through. We're gonna hook that right there. All right, and that just goes in right there. And then we feed the excess back up. And we're all right, so the purge valve I put through here. The only thing is it runs into the heat shield. So then I ran it out there and just out the bumper. That's just gonna be air pumping out. So the whole rear is good. Oh gosh, the rust. The whole rear is hooked up. Now we gotta set up the front. All right, to the passenger side. Got all the cables and the airline tucked under here. All tucked behind the seat, up into back there. So now I just need to run the airline up through the grommet there, out into the wheel well, and then the right side will be completely done. All right, so now what we need to do is disconnect all the air hoses. So we're gonna take some tape, disconnect them, and then each port has a little 2-letter FL, FR, front left, front right, so that the machine knows where this came from. So we're just gonna mark all of these the same way the control module is marked. So that's FL. Next one is FR, and we'll go. Now we need to start cutting out holes for the lines. Alright, so this is broke tuners after all. So in order to mount to the plate, I didn't have the correct stuff. So we're just gonna hold it on there. I mean, it's literally just gonna prop up like that. So this is gonna sit just like that. So now what I need to do is drill holes right here, or a hole right here, so all of the hoses can pop up through there. So that's what we're gonna do next. So this is gonna live right there. This is gonna come back to here and sit there. That's perfect. And now we're gonna drill the holes. Right here. So it's gonna line up just like that. I have 2 holes in the back of the mounting plate I'm gonna use to mount that in place, but we'll do that at the very end. All right, so now we know where we need to go.
Failure.
No going back now. So now what we're gonna do is we know that hole is for the empty tank. So I have the empty hose here. So I'm going to go underneath and feed the empty. Our first hose is through. So we're just gonna keep going up down that line. All right, so the lines look great, but you know, just manage your cables underneath and you're good. All right, now just need to do some management for the hose. Now we're gonna apply some There's No Shine Like Mother's Shine to the tank. Polish it off and it should be good.
That's it for today's video. Make sure you go like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think of the trunk setup. Hit the website, thebroketuners.square. Get your Broke Tuners merch. Let me know what you guys think. What do you want me to do next to the car? Blow up the comments. Let me know. Peace.